Hi there, and welcome back to Malamic Art. My name is Mickey, and today I have a random purchase that I'd made, and I have some Happy Meal. And the first one is from someone who wanted me to try her paint. I guess she's starting to make paint, and her hashtag is #achatfell, and she gave me this little note as well, saying, "I hope you like it, and let me know," etc. And she gave me this cute little plastic Ziploc bag with a little rose-colored or a pink-colored half pan. And I will be trying this out in a little bit. Feels nice. I like the little pouch. It's kind of nice so to have a little something not to lose it with. I'll make sure that her link is below. And the other is by Woodedwoods, and she is on Instagram and I think a few others, and I'll make sure I have her link below too. I actually sent her some things, so she sent a bunch of things back to me, and her art makes me laugh so much because she's just she's kind of cruel and a little sadistic in her art. And this is an actual original piece that she did on this envelope too, which I was really excited about. And I love sarcasm, so there's little Princess Pooh, and I think this is it from the movie. And this one is I can't remember what it says. I'm not close enough to the video because I'm doing a voiceover to read it, but super great humor. A little dark, as you see, a lot of dark humor. And here's all the stickers she sent. Super excited about these. A lot of snarky dark humor, which is, I don't know why it makes me laugh so much, but it does. So I'm just going to go through everything that she sent here. And then this is a card. So she sent a card in an envelope that I could use to send someone else. And it's so funny. Their eyes are googly. So super funny. Love her stuff. And these are just cards with all sorts of things from her past and things that she's been working on. And really kind of funny and spooky. Very snarky. But I love it. It tickles my funny bone for some reason. I love this guy. And if you go to her Facebook site, she has some amazing sculptures that she's done. She's just a really incredible artist as well. So I thought I'd show some of her stuff. She sent me so much. I have one of these stickers. This is my favorite. Don't look at me. I'm introverted, so it sort of speaks to me in that way. But here is my little Jackson's art haul, and this time it came in an envelope. I thought for sure that they would send me another box, but everything that I got here was wrapped up in a long piece of cardboard and taped together, so everything was really secure. So I was really happy about the packaging. And so I'm kind of giving myself a little bit of a taste of Christmas a little early. So here are some paper samples from Legion Paper. And because I'm curious about pencil a little bit now, I've got some colored pencils I want to play with, so trying to see what kind of paper I would like with them. So that little sample pack is really nice. And I will also, I'm an oil painter, so this is just some extra gray that is a sample. It's free. And then there's this handmade paper that they give samples out. I think they're like 40 cents for this little triple pack. And I just wanted to really echo handmade paper by Jackson. And so I got 3 tubes of paint, and the first one is by Snellier, and it's a green umber. And I've tried it before, and I fell in love with it. So finally now I have my own tube. And I also wanted to try the Earth Trio by Jackson. And it's the set number 2. And I got yellow ochre, warm sepia, and a neutral black, or a neutral, I think it's neutral black, yeah. Which comes out a bit more of an indigo blue than a black. And then this paper, which I continuously get another sample of these. It's such a good deal to get 4 pieces of paper for like $1 or something. And in the future, I want to unbox these and compare them to something else. So another future video that I have in the works. And they're all White Knights, or St. Petersburg White Knights, to complete my set of handpicked, or not handpicked, but kind of handpicked. The first set I got of these was from Wendy. I fell in love with them because the full pan, I don't know, just they're great.
We're doing an unboxing.
So here's all the colors that I got that are filling in the holes of my others that I have. And we'll be doing that very soon. And I'll be putting the tubed paints that I got in this. So now that I'm done with all of this, I'm going to go ahead and fill up this little set, and I should be back soon. So now that I have everything set up, I'm going to just go ahead and use this Echo handmade paper by Jackson's. And I want to use the extra rough, since, I mean, I don't know if I'd ever use this for anything really. So I'm going to go ahead and use it to swatch these out. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch hers out real quick. This, I'm not sure what she's called it for a color. I think pink or neon pink or opera. Am I getting anything? A little bit. Looks like I gotta work up a little bit of it. So that's what it looks like on the rough. And very neon. It's a very nice soft pink. And there you have it. It's very pretty. So if you want to see more of hers, just go check her out on Instagram at @achatfell or YouTube @chatfell. And thank you very much for this sample. So the rest I've actually added for my little assortment here. I added Naphthimide Maroon by Daniel Smith, but because I just wanted another red in there. But to go ahead and swatch these out, I think I just got a blob of that on there. So this is the Jackson's Trio. First I'm doing the warm sepia. It's really cool how it paints on this paper. It's kind of fun to see those cracks and crevices fill with this paint. And this is the neutral tint, which it's a bit more purple, but I like that. I really enjoy the tone, the cooler tone to it. And this is and all of these colors pick up pretty well. I'm pretty pleased with the Jackson's line. Here is the yellow ochre, which is really versatile. You can be really dark with it, or it can go really soft, which is another nice thing. And the last one, but not least, is this Nelier Green Umber that I had to have. It just reminds me of a nice forest, pine, balsam color. It's really pretty. I'm going to let them mix there. Right at the bottom there. So these are really great. The earth tone set is really nice. This is the one I chose. Of course, the yellow ochre, warm sepia, and neutral tint. And let's see if I can build up a little bit more of that pink over here. Yeah, it's very pretty. When I was a little girl, this was my favorite color, like a neon pink. But when I was a little girl, the 80s were in, and all those colors were fun, the neon colors. I'm going to be opening up these in another video, but I'm very excited to add these to my palette. And my palette is right here. So that will go, those will go right there. And I used these four on a project I was doing at work during a lunch break. So these are the swatches that I did at lunch on like a hot pressed quality paper. And then I did this portrait also that day with just those colors. So really pleased. I'm really glad I got to try them. And yeah, this paper is absolutely fun. So I can see any crafter using this for ornaments or whatever, etc. And the sample pack was only like a couple bucks, or even less. The Stonehenge paper I'm going to try another day, but as you see, it comes with all these different colors, and this is mainly for color pencil and more dry media. So thanks for joining me. We'll see you again soon. Take care of yourself.